Hi guys, welcome to day 16 math. So let's go ahead and get started. Day 16. Today we're going to solve two-step real-world problems using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So first we're going to start with our number sense routine. I want you to think about this number, and it's a riddle. So what number am I? I am greater than 8. But less than 60. I'm greater than 8, but less than 60. I am an odd number. So now we need to think about all the odd numbers. But remember, if we're greater than 8, can we be 1, 3, 5, or 7? No, because the numbers are bigger than 8. We have to think about numbers that are divisible by 7. So that means we want to be able to share them equally into groups of 7. So, for instance, groups of 7 would be 7, 14, 21, 28. So then I want you to come up with at least 2 possible numbers that fall into all of these categories. So being greater than 8 but less than 60. It has to be an odd number. And it has to be divisible by 7. So we want to think about groups of 7. And you want to have 2 answers. There's multiple answers that are right to this. All right, now let's move on to our two-step word problems. Again, your problems in your packet are not the same ones that I'm working with today. These are examples so that you can see how to, or to help you remember how to solve the work that's in your packets, because it is just a review. So Miss Langley bought 5 bags of chips and 2 bottles of salsa. Each bag of chips costs $2, and each bottle of salsa costs $3. How much money did Miss Langley spend at the store? Well, first, let's figure out what we're thinking of, what we're looking at. So, how much money did Miss Langley spend at the store? We want to know how much money I spent total. Well, I bought 5 bags of chips, 2 bottles of salsa. The chips cost $2 each, and the bottle of salsas cost $3 each. Oh my goodness, this is a whole bunch of stuff going on here. So I think it's best to draw it out. So first, I have 5 bags of chips. So 5 bags of chips. And I have 2 bottles of salsa. So I've got my 2 bottles of salsa. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of chips. 1, 2 bottles of salsa. So does that tell me what I need to know? Does it tell me how much money I spent at the store? No. So now I need to know that each bag of chips costs $2. So each one of these costs $2. So there we go. And then each bottle of salsa costs $3. Now I know that all of my bags of chips were $2 each, and my bottles of salsa were $3 each. So I can think about this and just as an addition problem. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3, and add it all up to get 16. Or I could think about this as groups of. I have 5 groups of 2, which I know is equal to 10. And then I have 2 groups of 3, which is equal to 6. So then I could say 10 plus 6 is 16. Miss Langley spent $16 at the store. Now let's try another one. Miss Langley had 4 boxes of cookies. There were 6 cookies in each box. She ate 11 cookies. How many does Miss Langley have left? All right, well, apparently I was hungry eating 11 cookies. So, first thing I want to do is I want to know What am I asking it? What is this question asking me to do? How many cookies do I have left? Okay, well, in order to know how many cookies I have left, I have to know how many I started with. Well, I had how many boxes of cookies? 4 boxes. So I'm going to draw my 4 boxes out. And then I need to know how many cookies were in each box. There were 6 cookies in each box. So I'm going to put my 6 cookies in each box. Right? And then I need to find out how many cookies I have in total. So I have 4 groups of 6. If I don't know how that's 24, then I could do repeated addition, and I could say 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 4 times is going to be equal to 24. So I can say that I have 24 cookies. I could also just count my cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on until I get to 24. Well, until I count them all. So now I know that I had 24 cookies, but that's not what the question's asking me. The question asked me, how many cookies does Miss Langley have left? So there's one more part of this that I need to know, and it is that I ate 11 cookies. So I need to take my total, my 24 cookies, and I need to subtract, because I ate them, I took them away, 11. So 24 minus 11. Well, if I wasn't sure what 24 minus 11 was, there's a couple ways I could solve for that. One of them is that I could say, oh, well, I know that 11 is just 10 minus, or 10 and 1. So I could say, okay, 24 minus the 10 is 14, and then take another 1 from that and get 13. So I know that Miss Langley has 13 cookies left. Another way I could do that is I could simply cross these out. I could say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then I could see that I have 12, 13 cookies left if I cross these cookies out that I ate. All right, now it's your turn to solve these problems. Miss Coker bought 4 bags of chips and 3 bottles of salsa. Each bag of chips cost $4, and each bottle of salsa cost $5. How much money did Miss Coker spend at the store? Let's go ahead and draw that out, or solve it how you see fit. And then you've also got the problem of Miss Coker had 6 boxes of cookies. There were 8 cookies in each box. She ate 15 cookies. Apparently they were really good cookies too. And how many cookies does Miss Coker have left? So just like those problems before, you need to solve these problems. All right, y'all have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow, or talk to you tomorrow.